What's up? I'm Gabby, and this is Gleam Me Up. Guys, it's time to go out, because this look needs to be seen. Step 1, Hydro Grip Primer. Hit of Hydro. I love Hydro Grip Primer because it gives me a dewy, hydrated base. I like to apply Hydro Grip Primer by just putting one dab here, and it feels so light, and I already feel my skin getting dewy. Like, do you see this? It feels grippy and hydrating. It is such a vibe. Step 2, Flex Concealer. Flex, medium tan. Flex on those haters. I just like to apply 3 dots under each eye, blend it in, warm it up, melt right in. Step 3, Glow Oil, Inhale, and Glimmer. Liddy. Glow Oil is my favorite because it's a sheer tint that I can use on my lips and my cheeks. So I'm gonna take Halo and I'm gonna apply this pretty little girl on my cheeks and cheekbones and just blend it out until I get that dewy finish. Next up, Glimmer, and we're just gonna apply this girl on my lips. Glowing! Stained lips for the gods. Step 4, Eye Pigment, Hotel Lobby. I like to take a fine liner brush and just go Picasso on it. Step 5, KUSH Lash Primer. I just start from the roof, started from the bottom, now we're here. Hi! Prepped, primed, ready to go. Step 6, KUSH Waterproof Mascara. So it's the OG KUSH, but it's waterproof. Ooh, she's waterproof. Extra high volume. Fuego lashes. I need to show off this face. I am glowing, I am glistening, and I am dewy, and I'm ready to get out here. Gleam me up. Alright guys, I'm out. Good vibes all summer long.